more than a killing fee. Sharing one thing on the calm. I'm what they couldn't be. Moving like snakes in the grass. I'm on alert. Last time I gave him a chance.
Yo, this is gonna be Sex Sounds. Welcome back to another video. Now today, bro, it's pretty early in the morning, but I see this group called DAY6 just dropped this song called Where the Sea Sleeps, I'm pretty sure, and then I don't understand the rest. I've never ever heard of these guys before. Someone just told me to come react to this, so I mean, I'm here, I'm gonna react to it. It's on 61,000 views in about 10 minutes, so they have quite a lot of hype. But yo, never heard of them. Let's see what they're like. Let's get into this reaction. Okay. We're gonna have an animation video. I'm seeing a lot of these animation videos pop up recently. I think it's because they because of COVID, maybe they can't film them. I don't know, but I like animations. They're cool. Oh, that is a smooth voice, yo. Okay. Obviously, there might be quite a few like hidden messages in here that I'm gonna miss because I've never heard of these guys before. So we'll see, bro. Ooh. This song's just feeling like really peaceful, bro. It's like their voices are so like soft. Oh. The vocals, hold up, baby. Yo, their voices are sensational. What? Wait, I haven't worked out if this is actually a group yet or one person. I'm pretty sure it's a group. I hope it's a group. But, yo, whatever it's going on, absolutely crazy from this. Hold up. Is he talking about a girl? He's talking about, like, don't leave me, I need you. I guess he's talking about a girl or something? I don't know. I want to be with you. So he's talking about, I'm pretty sure maybe a girl. But, yo, I can't ever trust the YouTube subtitles because sometimes they're very wrong. But I'm pretty sure that's what it's about, I hope. Oh, yo! Their voices, it's almost like giving me goosebumps. Like, it just feels like so smooth. Like, it's just really chilled. I don't know how to explain, bro. What? Oh, bro. No, what's happened, bro? Freaking blew up. Hold up. They're like tadpoles. That's funny. Yo, they're about to freaking hit this planet, bro. It's just such like a beautiful song. It's just peaceful, bro. Ooh, did you hear that? Hold up. Yo, their voices are actually crazy, bro. What did he say? I don't believe I can fight this sea alone. Oh, luckily you're not alone, my broski. Oh, bro, the vocals. Just imagine being in the studio with them singing this, bro. Yo, I don't know what that says, bro, but yo, holy baby. Okay, so it's reaction to Day 6, Where the Sea Sleeps. Yo, the vocals on that song were absolutely nuts, bro. They had, like, the voices were just so beautiful. Like, that was a beautiful, chill, just peaceful song. Like, just the vocals went like, yeah! Like, bro, well, you gotta chill out with that, baby. Yo, that was actually fire. Really nice, chill, peaceful song. I'm gonna give that one a 10 out of 10 just because of the vocals, like the voice. Hold up. Great first like time listen to these guys. They smashed it. But yo, if you want more reactions to Day 6, make sure to like and subscribe. And peace.